In this video, I'm going to explain to you how I got started with making money on the internet with affiliate marketing, selling digital products online, and making $10,000+ a month on the internet. And this is exactly how I did it. No BS, no hype. This is literally how I did it. The year was 2018. By the way, I'm at the park. I'm about to do some push-ups and pull-ups right here, so don't mind it. Anyways, the year was 2018. I was working at Olive Garden as a dishwasher, right? I was a dishwasher at Olive Garden. I'm a 4-time convicted felon. I'm 34 years old. In my 20s, I used to run around the streets doing all types of crazy shit, right? So 2018, I seen an ad on the internet that said, make money on the internet. Now, at the time, I was working as a dishwasher, making $450 a week. The ad on the internet said, sell other people's products and make money on the internet. I said, I want to make money on the internet. How do I do this, right? So I went to the guy's website. The guy was selling like a course, right? One of those courses you see online that said make money online. The course was $100. Now, I didn't buy the course when I first seen it. I went to the guy's website because, most people don't buy the first time they see it. So I kept on seeing the guy's videos, showing proof of him doing affiliate marketing and making money online. So I said, fuck it. My next paycheck, I spent $100 on the course because I said, okay, this guy's making money online. He doesn't have a job. He's just running ads online. I want to see exactly what he's doing because if he's making money online, I want to know what he's doing. So I bought the course. I paid $100 for the course, right? My first course, a buying course on the internet, right? The course just kind of sat at my email address and I didn't go to the membership website that he gave me. Maybe about 2 weeks later, I went inside the membership website and I did what he told me to do, right? He said, go get these affiliate links and go advertise these affiliate links on this website. And then you will be able to make money when someone reads the ad, goes to the website and purchase the product. And I said, okay, this makes sense because I've read ads on the internet, I've watched videos on the internet, and I've bought something because I've read an ad. So I started to create the ads. I started to understand how all this shit works on the internet, affiliate marketing, digital products, and all this shit. 89 days after buying that $100 course, I quit my job because I was working as a dishwasher making $450 a week. So I was making around 89 days in, I was making about $600 a week online. So I said, fuck it, I'm just going to quit my job because if I'm working 40 hours a week, making $450 a week, and now I'm making $600 a week just running ads on the internet with affiliate products, I'm just going to do this. So that's literally how I started. I was working as a dishwasher, living in the hood of Atlanta, Florida, not knowing anything about the internet. I seen an ad on the internet that said make money on the internet, and I said, damn, I want to make money on the internet. Went to the guy's website, looked at what he was offering, shit like this. Seen the cost was $100. It took me maybe a couple of days, to think about it, and then my next paycheck, I purchased a $100 course. The $100 course kind of just sat in my email address for a while. I didn't go to the membership website. Maybe a couple of weeks after purchasing the course, I actually did what the guy told me to do. The guy said, go to this website, get these links, advertise, create these ads on these websites to sell this product. 89 days after that, I was making $600 a week. And that's how I quit my job, kind of started this whole transition into the digital nomad, make money online, advertising guy. That's how I got started, right? I'm not a guru. I don't have a Lamborghini. I'm not going to say I make $100,000 a month. I'm not going to say you're going to make any money online because all this shit takes work, right? We still have to understand how this works. We still have to run the ads. We still have to do work, right? This isn't a scratch off. This isn't buy a course and make all this fucking money online. I still run ads, right? I still run ads to this day. Every day I run ads on the internet. Every day I'm running ads and sending out emails. I'm doing all this stuff I do on the internet, and I still do the work to this day. So this is how I got started with affiliate marketing and making money online, simply because I wanted to make money online. I found a guy that was making money online. He had a course for $100. I purchased the course. I listened to what he said. I did what he told me to do. 89 days after that, I quit my job, and I haven't had a job in going on 6.5 years because of the internet and affiliate marketing and, the internet world. But anyways, if you guys have any questions about what I do, all the information is below. I'm going to go back to doing pull-ups, but this is how I got started, making money on the internet. That's it. Peace.